Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ki nong yalam jong All India Trinamool Congress kilaya kendu lang banyathir halor ke election kabala dap baru halor bugun kimat ki bayde ka Jylla. Habakrem kinong thok kubor nong yalam jong ni ka seng ubadei pet ya ka Jylla u manas bhunia ulaong bola ai khublei ki Paidbah ka Jylla ki ba ai jing kershan ya ka TMC ha ka election bala dap ha ka ba kila job sangut ki MLA ki danru ki kurtong ki barem tang khandiat vote pat ki danru ki ba job tang khandian na kalyang Dr. Mukul sangma ha ba benrap ya ka jing Kren jong bhunia ulaong ba ki dang yai Bteng menjubab ya ka kamram ka ba ki deben pet kamtam ki Jingeh ki ba Paidbah ulai kendu ula benrap da ka ba ong ba ki don kimat ki ba don kam ki bede ba ka Jylla ba ka TMC kadang im mat kindang pet benya ahlor kini kiman haga ju ko por kaseng kadang tuat jing mut ru na ki Paidbah ahlor kini kiman ban pet ru ba kini ka sarkar ka deben pun orlong ya ki kular balaklei.
Today, after the assembly election, Mr. Charles Pinglu, our Honorable President, our leader, Dr. Mukul Sangma, James Lindo, George, and all the important members of the state committee were present. We reviewed the entire process. We have given thanks to the people of Meghalaya, and we also congratulated the people of Meghalaya for the first time in the participation in the election process. They have given their support, All India Trinamool Congress, and we secured near about 17% of the vote and 5 MLAs. Some candidates were defeated in the margin, which is unbelievable. At the same time, our 2 candidates won also in the low margin. We discussed at length each and every points, and we have taken oath that we will continue to instill more strength to the ground level workers, booth level workers, block workers, district level workers, and we will sit again and again to plan out our political process, to reach out to the people. We will continue to observe the functioning of the new government for the interest of the people of this great state. Any causes of the people will be taken up by our party, by our leadership. We will speak at the proper forum for the interest of the people. Our Supreme Leader, Madam Mamata Banerjee, Chairperson of the All India Trinamool Congress, and our All India General Secretary MP, Mr. Abhishek Banerjee, have given respect, love, and thanks to the leadership of our state committee, district committee, block committee, and booth committee, and also to the people of Meghalaya who have participated in this democratic process of assembly election of the state of Meghalaya. We will play our very responsible role. Our MLAs will play their responsible role. Our party will play their responsible role, and we will continue to strengthen our party in the grassroots level. We are, every point of time, will be attached with the causes of the people of Meghalaya. This is our today's discussion and resolution
of this process, and we continue to remain glued to our focus and priority to respond to our call of duty. In order to achieve this, as I have said, we need to strengthen the party. Building a new political party always is a challenge. It is nothing new for anybody who understands the dynamics of politics. So, having understood these challenges, we need to see how the burden of responsibility will be upon all of us. And we continue to shoulder these responsibilities because at the end of the day, as I have said, the priority is always for the larger good and interest of the people in the state. So we continue to remain committed to this priority to which we have committed. And issues are there, important issues confronting the state, confronting the people are there. And we are alive as a party. Our party has been articulating appropriately on those issues and the stand of the party accordingly, trying to connect to the people to ensure that the government of the day is made to realize their responsibility towards addressing those concerns and issues, confronting the people, confronting the state, and we will continue.